Well, here's my new meat bird stock. Just came in this morning. I have about 30 of them, and I want to show you something else. Um, this is a grow out pen for babies that I hatched some time ago. They're not quite ready for outside, but it won't be long. It won't be long. These are more grow outs. They always scatter in the corner when I come in. I put them in a red box and a rent box. These are the ones that just hatched the other day. They're getting big already. Let's see if I can get them to scatter so you can get a good look at them. Come on, cheeky babies. Come on, my little cheeky babies. Come on, my little cheeky babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, they're all excited to get out of the fray. So those are the ones that were just born the other day that I showed you. Yeah, isn't it amazing how quickly they grow? Well, there you go. Say hello, guys.